Make 2 delicious homemade breads with nutritious seeds that will make your mouth water. You won't pay more. Check out this incredible recipe. It's quick and easy. Let's start our recipe by hydrating the seed. In the pan, we'll add 20 grams of chia. Then add 20 grams of flaxseed. Mix lightly and add 20 grams of sesame and mix. Leave it here for 5 minutes, then remove and add to another container. Next, add water until all the seeds are covered and set aside. Now, let's prepare the dough. In the bowl, we'll add 400 grams of wheat flour. Then add 400 grams of whole wheat flour. Now we'll add 10 grams of dry biological yeast. Then add half a spoonful of salt. Add 50 grams of chewing sugar. Once done, mix everything very well. If you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now we'll add 80 grams of melted butter. Then add 450 grams of milk. Add the milk little by little and keep mixing. Now mix it lightly with your hands, then add all the seeds that we soaked. Now you will knead this dough very well until it becomes a smooth and homogeneous dough. This is the ideal point. It will have this consistency. Now leave it in the bowl, cover it with a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. After this time, the dough will have doubled in size. Remove the air from the dough. Then divide the dough in half and let's start shaping our breads. With the help of a rolling pin, you will roll out the dough like this. Now just close the dough, shaping the bread like this. It will look like this. Look how perfect it is. Now, brush a little milk on top. These homemade breads made with seeds are perfect to bring to the table for breakfast. They will make your whole family's mouth water. Now add the seeds on top of the breads like this. Then add them to the pan greased with butter and wheat flour. Then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. After this time, put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees and let it bake for 40 minutes. And our homemade breads are ready. Look how perfect they turned out. Now just take a piece and serve. And if you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it at that. A big hug, and see you in the next recipe.